I'm Anil Kumar. Here is an application question on linear systems. The question is, to rent a car, you pay a daily cost and a cost per kilometer. The cost of renting a car for 3 days and driving it 150 kilometers is $111. The cost of renting the same car for 4 days and driving it 320 kilometers is $184. Determine daily renting cost and cost per kilometer. So let the variables be, say let D be daily renting cost, right? And PB cost per kilometer. Okay, so these are the variables for us. Now let's write down the equation. To rent a car, you pay daily cost and the cost per kilometer. Cost of renting a car for 3 days. So you're renting the car for 3 days and driving it 150 kilometers. It costs $111. So we can say $111 is the cost when you rent it for 3 days, 3 times D, plus 150 kilometers, so 150p, right, per kilometer. For the second case, cost of renting the same car for 4 days, that means 4 days plus 320 kilometers, so 320p is 184. So that is how you can get equations. So we have two different equations and we have two variables, daily renting cost and per kilometer cost. All these costs are in dollars, right? Remember, these costs are in dollars. Now we can use substitution or elimination. In this case, it is better to use elimination, right? So we'll multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 3, right? In that case, we can simplify it. At times, what you can do is, you can actually divide this equation by 3, all are multiples of 3, and this equation could be divided by 4, correct? In that case, we'll get D also, right? So we'll adopt that strategy. Instead of multiplying, we'll actually divide this equation by 3 and we'll divide this equation by 4, correct? And write down the new equations. Okay, so 111 adds up to 3, so it can be divided by 3. So 111 divided by 3 is 37, correct? So this gives you 37 equals to 3 divided by 3 is 1 plus this is 50, right? 50p. Now here 184 divided by 4. 184 divided by 4 is 46. So we have 46 equals to D plus 80p. So this is much simpler, right? So that gives us equation number, let's say 3 and 4. Now the strategy here is, sometimes it is better to divide and simplify and then work on the equations, correct? Now we have two equations where same coefficients are there for the daily rate, and so we can do equation, let's say 4 minus 3. Okay, let's do equation 4 minus 3. So we are doing this minus this just to avoid negative terms, right? So we have 46 minus 37 equals to 9. So let me write down this as 9 equals to D minus D is 0. 80 minus 50 is 30 p, right? So from here, p, hourly rate, is 9 divided by 30. So we have 9 divided by 30, which is in decimals, equal to 0.30 per kilometers. That means 30 cents per kilometer, right? So that really means this is in dollars. So it is 30 cents per kilometer. To find daily rate, we can rearrange equation 3 and find daily rate. So we'll call this as our equation number 5. Okay, substitute this in 3. So we'll sub 5 in 3 to find daily rate. Okay, so what we get is 37 equals to D plus 50 times 0.30. So D is equals to 37 minus 50 times 0.30. Let's use the calculator. 37 minus 50 times 0.3 equals to 22. 22, right? So we get our answer. That is, daily rate is $22 and per kilometer is $0.30, right? 30 cents per kilometer. So that is how you can actually solve such questions. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.